Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a jet landing gear in Build a Boat for Treasure. First, place a sturdy block as the base for your landing gear. This will be the anchor point. Next, attach a hinge block to this base. This hinge is crucial for the gear's movement, allowing it to fold up and down smoothly. Make sure it's firmly connected. Finally, add a small, durable wheel to the end of the hinge. This simple setup forms the core of your retractable landing gear, ready for the next steps. Now, let's make that gear move. Attach a piston to your hinge block. This piston will be the muscle, pushing and pulling the gear. Carefully adjust the piston's extension length so that when it retracts, the wheel tucks neatly into your jet's body, and when extended, it reaches the ground perfectly. Connect a simple switch or lever to control the piston. Give it a test run to ensure everything moves smoothly and without any hitches. This step brings your landing gear to life. To improve stability and prevent wobbling, consider adding a second piston. This provides extra support, especially for heavier jets. Make sure both pistons are synchronized to extend and retract at the exact same time for smooth operation. You can use a few small, lightweight blocks as guides to keep the gear aligned during movement. Carefully check for any clipping issues where the gear might intersect with your jet's body when retracted. A little adjustment here makes a big difference. For the final touches, personalize your landing gear. Paint it to match your jet's color scheme, making it blend seamlessly. You can also add small decorative details like tiny lights or panels for a more realistic appearance. Before you fly, perform multiple full retraction and extension tests. This ensures reliability. Crucially, confirm that the landing gear can effectively support the full weight of your jet without breaking or collapsing. You're now ready for takeoff.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.